This is Easy Ice in the house at 2024 NAMA. I'm John Mahlmeister. I'm the Chief Operating Officer. This is our second year NAMA. Last year was a test on the waters. This year, we've got meetings with over 70 vendors, kind of coast to coast. Gives us an opportunity to learn from them how we're doing, what we need to do better, and how we can make their life with ice easier. Come on inside, let's see what's going on. How's it going? You know, 90% of the reason to be here is to listen, right? Some of it, you know, we've got a booth and we are here to talk to people. For the most part, we're really here to listen because that's really how we get better, how we get smarter, how we deliver better solutions is by listening. I mean, there's people out here that got their very first product, right? They got a bag of cookies or a bag of chips and they're out, right, pitching their product to anybody here that'll listen. And you've got some of these ginormous companies like Vistar, everybody recognizes Keurig, Dr. Pepper, Coca-Cola, Frito-Lay's. I mean, it's all the big guys as well as all the small people all kind of here under one roof, trading ideas and trying to solve problems. So ultimately, everyone who kind of hires a service company is looking for an as-a-service model, right? Beverages as a service, food, snacks, other refreshments as a service, right? Is this notion of your relationship is, or your story, or your greatness is a function of all the people that you work with. I can sell you one for your house, but that's all you. Place is packed with mostly the people touring around or the operators, right? They're here to see products and services and solutions that are being offered by vendors. This is the place where all the innovation is kind of driven from.